After 9 months of the armed conflict under the guidance of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the People's Republic of Bangladesh obtained independence from Pakistan's occupation. During the war, the USSR and India rendered large assistance to Bangladeshi people. Our people think about the assistance rendered by the USSR and India with a feeling of great gratitude. We will never forget that help. Since that time, Bangladesh and Russia have been in really close and friendly relationships. Many students from the Republic studied and are studying in Russian universities. Thousands of Russian specialists are working in Bangladesh at the construction of Rooppur NPP. Our people look forward to the completion of construction and commissioning of Rooppur NPP that is expected to cover the electrical shortage and to be the impulse for Bangladeshi development. Orgenergostroy has been operating in the People's Republic of Bangladesh for over 4 years. During this period, we have carried out engineering surveys of the geodetic network, Pioneer, construction and assembling bases number 1 and number 2. The construction and assembling works at the geodetic network survey point, Pioneer base and construction camp for the personnel of Green City and Bangla Kutir have been completed. At the moment, Orgenergostroy company is implementing engineering surveys for the main buildings and structures, finalizes the construction and assembling works of the first stage of the construction and assembling bases 1, which comprises the anti-corrosion base and reinforcement facility. Taking into account the insufficient level of local industry development and unavailability of equipment and building materials of required quality at the markets of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, we have arranged a complex supply from abroad, organized our own fabrication of sandwich panels certified on the basis of Russian standards, and commissioned a concrete plant with its own laboratory controlling the quality of fabricated products. The construction and assembling works are being performed engaging both contractors from the People's Republic of Bangladesh and our own forces. Today, over 80% of the work scope is being performed with our own forces. Over 60 engineers and technicians are working in cooperation with local engineers and workers at Rooppur NPP construction site. Orgenergostroy is the first company to arrange work implementation in the People's Republic of Bangladesh by its own forces, having selected and trained local personnel to follow Russian and international quality standards. Orgenergostroy considers a great honor to represent Russian nuclear construction industry in Bangladesh and to participate directly in construction of such an important facility as Rooppur NPP, the goal of which is to reduce the electricity shortage in the Republic.